Understanding column behavior. As constraints pass down from parents, column gets a bounded or unbounded height depending on the parent. Let's look at two examples. Inside a scaffold body, a column gets a finite height constraints, the whole screen. Inside a list view, a column is asked to be as tall as it was without any vertical limit. How does column behaves in these two scenarios? Here in the first example, we have a scaffold widget and it passes screen width and height to the column widget. Then the column widget knows exactly how tall it can be, so it takes up all the available space. In the second example, column is wrapped in a list view. As a scrollable, list view has infinite height. Now the column is told you can be any height you want. In this case, column only takes space that needs to lay out its children. This behavior can lead to issues if its children also try to expand. For example, if I replace this text widget with the list view, we will get an error saying vertical viewpoint was given unbounded height. To better understand this error in the next video, we will look at how list view behave with the constraints.